Before showing you how to use the Arloopa app, I think it's important to give you some background information. Arloopa is an app that transforms your world using augmented and virtual reality. Imagine bringing 3D models, animations, or games into your real surroundings. This app makes it possible. Whether you are exploring for fun, learning, or creating engaging content, Arloopa lets you experience technology in a whole new way. Let me guide you one by one how to use Arloopa. Download and install the app, open your App Store or Play Store and search for Arloopa 3D app. Look for the app with the red icon, then download and install it. Once the app is installed, open it. You will see a main interface with several options such as gallery, marker scanner, geolocation based AR, creator studio, tutorial. Let's go through these features one by one. First one is gallery. Click on the gallery option. Here you will find different categories such as AI characters, Christmas, mask, education, animals, and many more. For example, if you click on AI characters, you will see various 3D models. Most AI models require a premium subscription to access. To get premium, sign up by clicking on profile and entering your surname, email, and password. Once you sign up, you can choose a subscription plan, that is $5.26 per month or $20.49 per year. Choose the plan. Now let me show you how you can place models. To use a model, simply select a location in your real world surroundings to place it. For example, you can place a Santa Claus model in your room. It looks incredibly realistic, like I'm doing here. Educational models. The educational section is especially useful, offering models for various subjects. You can place these models in your environment. Zoom in to explore details and even record videos or take screenshots for teaching purposes. It also has some additional features like AR lenses. Connect AR lenses to your glasses for an immersive experience. Then GIF creator, you can create animated GIFs. Then architect models. Select architectural models and place them in any area for visualization. Then games. Play interactive 3D games within your selected area. Now, here you can see games option. You can play interactive 3D games within your selected area. Like you can see here how I am playing this. Then marker scanner. Click on the marker scanner option. This features allows you to scan objects and convert them into 3D models. Like you can see here, geolocation based AR. These features lets you place virtual objects or experiences in specific GPS locations. These objects are activated when the user reaches the desired location. Like you can see here, Creator Studio. The Creator Studio option lets you design your own 3D models. Like you have to sign up by clicking Create an Experience to start building your custom AR content. The final option is Tutorial. Here you can find video guides demonstrating how to use all the app's features in detail. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.